So for those who are trying to wonder, just like I was, about the single PCV valve system, which should be replaced on a car periodically, just like regular maintenance, there are two on the 2014 Chevy Malibu 2.5 liter engine. And of course that engine has been used, and these are good for other things. The first one is on the left side by the cap. It is right back here where my finger is. You can see it. It corresponds with this little one right here. It has a 10mm nut on it. There we go. And there, or screw. And then over here, we've got the other one. It literally is just right across the way. Once you take off the top end blower, there you go, which goes right here, of course. You can get to it. You can then replace the other one, which is this long. If you see it right here, it sits right down in there. Simple unscrew this side, pop off these little holders, and you got it made. When you put it back together, please make sure you look up underneath here and make sure that one is snug, is sealed too. Mine came loose whenever I was coming apart, so make sure they're on there and you should be good to go. There you go. Couldn't find it, now you can.